Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I wanted to send a quick update about some upcoming events. The next Family Constellation Workshop will take place on Saturday, the 4th of July in Dublin. So Family Constellation can help uncover hidden family dynamics, inherited ancestral patterns, and unresolved trauma that may still be influencing our lives today. So many people come with issues around relationships, family difficulties, anxiety, confidence, health concerns, financial difficulties, or feeling stuck in certain areas of life. If you're curious about this work or would like to experience it for yourself, you're very welcome to join us. More information and booking details can be found on my website. I'm also delighted to share that a new Family Constellation Facilitator Training is planned to begin in May 2027. The training is designed for people who would like to learn how to facilitate family constellations, either as part of their professional work or for their own personal development. More information about the training will be available soon on my website. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope to see some of you at the workshop in July. Take care and wishing you a lovely summer.